Financial stability is crucial for a stress-free and fulfilling life in today's fast-paced world, as it opens doors to opportunities and the freedom to pursue your dreams. This video will explore 5 of Robert Kiyosaki's secrets to utilize for 3 months, as they will enable you to transform your economic situation and acquire wealth in abundance. First tip: set and stick to your financial plans. Before embarking on your transformation journey, it is essential to have a clear understanding of your current financial situation. This move will enable you to formulate an ideal plan that defines your objectives. Unfortunately, many people create a plan but fail to stick to it after a while, so they fail to accomplish their goals. It's vital to strictly adhere to your financial guideline for 3 months, as it will allow you to establish and reinforce good financial habits. Strict adherence to your monetary plan will expose you to valuable opportunities for learning, growth, and adaptation to navigate various financial experiences and challenges. Additionally, applying these strategies for the next 3 months will assist you in developing solid monetary skills that are still applicable in the long run for better financial decision-making processes and success. Second tip: follow your passion. Robert Kiyosaki believes that when you are passionate about something, you are likelier to put in the hard work and dedication necessary to succeed. It's because you are doing something that you love. Hence, you are more likely to find satisfaction in your work. Pursuing your passion also involves investing time and effort in honing your skills and knowledge. This continuous learning process keeps you engaged and motivated to improve yourself. Although passion is a key ingredient to financial success, it's equally crucial to assess the market demand for your services and explore ways to monetize them. Here are 3 additional reasons why following your passion can help you become rich. 1. Promotes creativity. When you engage in activities that align with your passion, you often experience a state of flow. Flow is a mental state characterized by deep concentration, heightened focus, and being fully immersed in the task. Your creativity tends to flourish in this state as you are more open to new ideas and innovative thinking. This aspect can spark revolutionary ideas and solutions by providing a different lens, leading to fresh insights and creative breakthroughs. 2. Increase productivity. The inherent motivation and enjoyment derived from following your passion can boost your energy levels and drive your productivity. It's because you'll be able to minimize distractions and fully concentrate on your work. This high focus allows you to function more efficiently, produce higher quality results, and gain significant financial returns from your output within a shorter period of 3 months. 3. Experimentation and risk-taking. When you are passionate about your work, you are more willing to take risks and experiment with new ideas. This willingness to step outside your comfort zone and explore uncharted territories opens doors to innovative approaches. Through experimentation, you can discover new methods and strategies that have the potential to lead to success sooner. Third tip: avoid procrastination. This vice refers to delaying or postponing tasks or actions that require immediate attention or completion. It can manifest in different ways, such as constantly deferring tasks, engaging in unproductive activities, or waiting until the last minute to start or complete important obligations. Procrastination typically arises for various reasons, including a lack of motivation, fear of failure or perfectionism, feeling overwhelmed, poor time management, or simply succumbing to distractions. Whatever the reason, this negative attribute can have a significant negative impact on your finances. For example, when you procrastinate on investing your money, you may miss out on potential gains. Overcoming this vice involves adopting strategies and habits that promote better time management, effective task prioritization, improved focus, and enhanced self-discipline. Let's explore 4 vital tips to assist you in avoiding procrastination and improving your financial situation in the next 3 months. Break down large tasks into smaller, more manageable ones. This move will make them seem less daunting and more achievable. Set deadlines and stick to them. This tip will help you stay on track and avoid putting things off until the last minute. Find a partner or accountability group to help you stay motivated. It can be a friend, family member, or colleague who is disciplined. Being accountable to someone will enable you to stay on your toes since they will pressure you to do what you're supposed to do at the right time. Reward yourself for completing tasks. It will help you stay motivated and make procrastination less appealing. Here are 3 pros of avoiding procrastination. Increased productivity. Shunning away from this action will enable you to maximize your productivity during the 3 months. You'll be able to tackle important financial tasks promptly and efficiently, making progress toward your wealth-building objectives. Consistently staying on top of your responsibilities allows you to accomplish more in less time. Seizing opportunities. Procrastination can cause you to miss time-sensitive opportunities, contributing to financial success. Taking prompt action and avoiding delays will increase your chances of capitalizing on investment opportunities, business ventures, or favorable market conditions that could enhance your wealth. Improved financial habits. Overcoming this vice requires discipline and self-control, which can spill over into other areas of your financial life. For instance, actively avoiding procrastination will assist you in developing prompt action capability, efficient time management, and goal-oriented behavior. These habits can have long-term positive effects on your wealth-building journey. 4th tip, network. The quality and strength of your relationships with others can significantly impact your financial success. For example, the people you know can help you find high-paying jobs, get promotions, start businesses, or make other crucial connections that can lead to financial gain. If you truly want to acquire wealth, you must start surrounding yourself with successful individuals who exhibit appropriate values, moral standards, and financial discipline. Their experiences, insights, and encouragement will provide you with the necessary motivation and support to stay on track and achieve financial success in the next 3 months. Adopting these 4 vital steps will assist you in establishing and maintaining solid networks that will be beneficial in your wealth acquisition journey. Be strategic. Don't just attend random networking events and hope for the best. Instead, research and target specific events and people who can help you achieve your goals. Prepare. Before you attend any networking event, take some time to think about what you want to achieve and how you can best present yourself. Have a few business cards, be ready to introduce yourself, and talk about your skills and experience. Be genuine. People can spot a fake from a mile away, so it's vital to be yourself by not trying too hard to impress others. Just be friendly, approachable, and interested in what others have to say. Follow up. After you meet someone new, send them a thank you note or connect with them on LinkedIn. The more you stay in touch, the stronger your relationships will become. Here are 4 advantages of utilizing this strategy. 1. Access to opportunities. You can expand your circle through networking events, industry conferences, online communities, and professional organizations and gain exposure to potential business partnerships, investment opportunities, job openings, or mentorship relationships. As a result, you'll connect with plenty of individuals who may offer valuable opportunities for wealth building. 2. Knowledge and insights. By engaging in conversations with professionals and experts in your field, you can learn from their experiences, gather industry-specific information, and stay current on trends or emerging opportunities. Their wisdom and experience will assist you in navigating common economic challenges and avoiding pitfalls. Gaining this knowledge will help you make better financial decisions and identify strategies for wealth accumulation in a shorter period. 3. Collaboration and partnerships. It's vital to note that building relationships with like-minded individuals or businesses can lead to joint ventures, co-investments, or mutually beneficial projects. Engaging in collaborative efforts will broaden your wealth-building opportunities since you'll be able to pool resources, share expertise, and embark on ventures that have the potential to generate higher returns. 4. Improve personal branding and reputation. This step also allows you to find like-minded peers who can provide crucial advice and support to build your brand and establish a positive reputation within your industry or desired field. A strong personal brand and reputation can open doors to opportunities, attract potential clients or investors, and positively impact your financial growth. 5th tip: regularly educate yourself about personal finance. Kiyosaki believes that continuously learning and gaining financial knowledge is essential for anyone who wants to be rich. He argues that the education system typically teaches people to work for salaries or wages, while the real key to wealth is knowing how to make money work for you. Robert believes that if you take the initiative to acquire common economic knowledge in personal finance, you'll possess vital skills to make sound financial decisions and break free from the mindset that prevents many from becoming wealthy. Let's take a closer look at 4 benefits of adopting this strategy for 3 months and more. Better decision-making capability. When you have a deeper understanding of personal finance, you can evaluate different options and assess the potential risks and rewards associated with financial decisions. This knowledge helps you make informed choices that align with your wealth-building goals and mitigate potential losses. Adapting to changing circumstances. Since the global economic landscape is constantly evolving, staying updated on new trends, regulations, and opportunities is crucial. It will assist you to adapt and customize your strategies to changing circumstances, capitalize on emerging trends, and navigate market fluctuations effectively. Expanding wealth-building strategies. As you expand your knowledge, you can explore different avenues, such as real estate, stock market investing, entrepreneurship, or passive income streams. This diversification of strategies increases your chances of building wealth faster within the projected 3 months. Long-term financial success. Regularly educating yourself about personal finance sets a foundation for long-term financial success. It instills a habit of lifelong learning and enables you to refine your financial strategies continually. Over time, the cumulative effect of ongoing education can significantly contribute to your wealth-building efforts. Here are 4 resources you can use to educate yourself about personal finance within a 3-month time frame to support your journey toward building wealth. Books. Read personal finance and wealth-building books by experts, including Robert Kiyosaki. Some recommended titles include Rich Dad Poor Dad, The Cash Flow Quadrant, and Rich Dad's Guide to Investing. Podcasts and audiobooks. Many financial experts host podcasts where they share valuable insights, tips, and strategies. Audiobooks also allow you to learn on the go, making it convenient to absorb knowledge and stay motivated during your daily activities. Financial blogs and websites. Follow reputable blogs and websites that offer educational content on personal finance and wealth building. Regularly reading and exploring these resources can expand your knowledge base. Publications. Stay updated with financial news and publications by subscribing to reputable financial magazines or newspapers that cover topics such as investing, business, and economics. Finally, although adopting these 5 strategies will significantly propel you to riches, it's essential to consider that the first 3 months will typically serve as a starting point for positive changes and progress. It's vital to maintain a broader perspective in achieving substantial wealth by observing a longer-term commitment to these tactics. If you have any questions or suggestions, don't hesitate to post them in the comment section, and I will respond as soon as possible. Remember to subscribe to this channel and hit the notification bell to get instant updates as soon as I upload more informative videos.